In Module 4, we're going to discover how a business may be liable on a theory of torts. Now, torts is defined as a wrongful act or infringement of a right other than a breach of contract. Contracts are what we studied in Module 3. We're now looking at civil liability based on something other than a contract. It can be against a person, it can be against property, uh, and what we're basically looking at here is in a business setting, how can the actions of either your business, yourself, your employees, or how your product affects people create liability? This is important for planning in your business. When you get to the discussion for Module 4, you will be asked to look at the various ways that you can be liable under a tort theory and find an article or video just like you have in the previous modules. Now, I have added at the end of this module, instead of a specific question in the discussion, you're going to reflect, do a self-reflection, and look back at the discussion and give a summary for what you actually learned in the discussion. What were the highlights? What are some of the good things that you learned in the summary? I would like everybody to do a recap, and that is what you need for there. You can get up to 10 extra credit points in this discussion alone if you're one of the top 10 contributors, that you actively participate, you are on more than one day, you're on 2 or 3, 4 days during the time period, asking student questions, responding to their videos, and you do a thorough summary, you will probably get be in the top 10% and get an extra 10, up to 10 credit points. Look at the rubric that you can see in each discussion. Remember, by clicking on the 3 little dots that are up at the top right-hand corner of the discussion page, and you will be able to see the rubric and what it is you need to do to get maximum points.